All right, are you ready for a review? This is not an unboxing video. This is a review of the brand new Enya NEXG smart audio guitar. I actually spent a little bit of time before this video. You know me, normally I just jump right in, try to figure it out, but I actually spent a little time trying to figure out. I probably only scratched the surface of all the capabilities this thing can do, but pretty cool, sounds great, looks really cool. I'm even gonna show you what this is. All right, welcome here to my channel. Uke like the pros, rock like the pros. Doesn't matter, but I'm glad you're here. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification, and then leave a comment throughout this video what you think of this. This is the brand new Enya NEXG, next generation, I would imagine the G is for, smart audio guitar, and I want to thank Enya for sending this to me. And actually, I got to pick my color, and I like the blue one. They come in black and white, I believe, and pink as well. So, all right, we're going to dive into this thing. I'm going to show you, do some playing, show you what the heck is going on here, what this is, why is there a microphone that came with it as well? Okay, we're going to dive into all that right now in this video. And yes, these will be available at the #1 ukulele and guitar site, store.ukelikethepros.com, or if you prefer, you guitar players, store.rocklikethepros.com. Either way, we'll get you there and make sure you get one of these. So are you ready? Come on now, let's dive in and do a little playing, and then we'll throw this in. All right, by the way, that's one of the settings. Matter of fact, those first two things I played were from the settings. One was the, I don't know, was it like the singer-songwriter version, little reverb, little echo on it, and then you got the rock version right here. All right, so first and foremost, actually, let me grab the case. It comes in a really cool case, and I'll show you the goodies. We'll put this thing on, and then we'll get down to business. So they come really nice package, nice boxes, and also a nice case here. If you open it up, boom, you got the guitar in there. You got this thing, which I'll show you what it is. You open it up, there is a microphone in there, and it's got a bunch of goodies as well. So you got a lot of stuff. I'm excited. Like I said, I did a little playing with this thing beforehand to try to at least show you, scratch the surface of what this thing can do. So let's dive into it. All right, so before I put this on right here, I want to just show you the section here. Let me show you right there. So you got a volume knob right there. That's your on and off switch as well. Then you have two buttons. One button right there is the tuner. So you can turn that on for the tuner. The other one is for some effects you can turn on, and also the Bluetooth, which will connect to it as well. So you got that there. This right here is a speaker, a huge speaker right there. And you have some inputs right there. Now this is actually a lot of stuff going on. It's more than just simply a guitar. So I'm going to throw this in right here. What's cool is when you put that in, it does come with these screws here. You just screw those in, boom, right there. Doesn't take but a second, even for a video. Get that done, boom, put one right here. All right, get that all the way in. Make sure this thing doesn't fall apart on me when I'm doing, not the instrument fall apart, but it fall off me. All right, so you got this. Now this is a little bit more traditional like a guitar. You got your armrest right here. Now, those screws also serve as a strap button, which is nice because this thing is a little heavy right here in this section. So it's a little bit of a heavy guitar. But overall, it plays and sounds really cool. I'm actually pretty impressed with the playability. It's got nice action to it already. You got this carbon fiber body and neck. Let me throw this strap on. All right. So there's That's it. When you have a guitar, you need that. All right, so it comes with a cable that you can charge it. Actually comes with a little pad of earbuds as well. So that's cool. Some cables, a truss rod. So the truss rod or Allen wrench for the truss rod, which one's down. This do have metal frets to it. Steel strings. There we go. There's the sound. So I got the presets right here that I went down. Acoustic, singer, finger style, the rock one. What's the other one here? Fusion. Fusion as well, and then back to our acoustic vibe right there. I do like having the strap as well. Okay, like I said, metal acoustic, steel string acoustic strings on this one. All right, I'm gonna get some dimensions here for as I showed you here, you have some inputs as well, and this thing is Bluetooth. So let me couple of things you can do with it. One, you can plug this into an amplifier. All right, so you can plug it in. Boom, I'm actually running through my preamp here. So notice now you don't have the speaker working, but it's going through. It's going to, like I said, my preamp, but you can put it to an amplifier if you want as well. All right, and then this is the charging cord. As you can see, I had to take it out because I did charge it. You just put it in there. This thing blinks when you're charging it. You also got a, where did that microphone go? Let me grab it. All right, so you got a microphone and you have the wind screen or the wind guard or the, for this thing. Also, let's see if we can plug this in. So I'm gonna connect this here. Let me turn the Bluetooth on. I think I gotta press that down right there. All right, turn the microphone on. Check 1, 2. Mic check 1, 2. You got a microphone. You can lower it a little bit. And you also got the sound. So here you go, singer-songwriters. You got your, no amp needed, no nothing. You got your mic, your guitar, and the speaker. Oh, hello, right there, all built in one. All right, what do you think so far? Leave it in the comments below. By the way, these are available at store.ukelikethepros.com or store.rocklikethepros.com, whatever you want to. You type in whatever you want, it will get you there. And if you like guitar stuff, we do guitars over on my rocklikethepros.com channel. So, all right, let me grab some measurements for you, and then I'll show them to you and see what else this thing can do, because I know it can connect with your phone as well. All right, so what do you think so far? Leave a comment below. These videos are funny because they don't really know what to do. Although I did do some research and play with the thing, I don't know what to show you. Hopefully I'm showing you everything you need to know about this thing. All right, a couple of measurements before I forget. So you got 1 5/8 nut width right here, boom, right there. And then you have 23 3/4 scale length. And it does have a 0 fret right there from there to there. This bridge is built in, and the strings go through the body. And not really sure how you change the strings, but I'm sure there's a way to do it. I just don't know right there. There is a truss rod right there, and they do have some nice, let me take this off real quick, flip it around here. Do have some nice gear tuners here for it. And by the way, there's the back of it right there. So anyway, overall, like I said, this thing plays really well. It sounds pretty cool. You know, if you kind of want a one-man show, you don't need an amp, but you can also plug into an amp. There's also a line in as well, as far as 1/4 inch and also 1/8 inch as well for this. If you want to do that, you have a mic that you can connect already, and it does have an app, by the way. Enya has an app for it, and also you can connect your phone and use this as a Bluetooth speaker as well. So I think you could even use it as an amp if you plugged in like another instrument you could plug in. So that I don't have the test, but I think that's a possibility as well. So anyway, a lot going on with this thing. What do you think? Leave that comment below. Let me take you out with one more song here. All right, I'm going to leave you hanging right there. By the way, that was on 10. No, that was 11. Don't turn it up to 10, turn it up to 11. It goes up to 16, by the way, on this thing. So this has a 30-watt woofer and a 10-watt speaker. So I think I said maybe 50 earlier, but there you go, almost 40 watts right there of power. So anyway, appreciate you being here. What do you think of this thing? Leave a comment below. Store.ukelikethepros.com is a place to get these things. And overall, I think it's a really cool idea. All right, it sounds good. Steel string. This is a guitar, right? So it's a little bit bigger. It's a little heavy because you got the speaker, but it's all in one. It feels pretty good with the strap. It feels heavy though, kind of like a Les Paul would feel. It's got a lot of functions on it. You're really a one-man band here. You got the speaker, you can plug the microphone in, you can run your phone into it. There's an app for it as well. You can plug this and run out to an amplifier as well. And it does have a 1/4 inch in as well. I think you can plug in another instrument and use the speaker for that as well. So anyway, great job, Enya. I appreciate you getting this to me. The blue ones, if you want to be like me, grab the blue one, but they do come in black, white, and pink as well. Store.ukelikethepros.com if you like guitar. If you like anything I'm doing, I show everything at rocklikeThePros.com, my instructional site. So thanks for being here, subscribing to the channel, smash that like button, and leaving the comments on this brand new revolutionary guitar from Enya, the NEX-G smart audio guitar. Thanks for all the support, and I will see you next time.